What is leverage and how to use it? You are not asking for too much. You are using what is already yours. Leverage is the one most misunderstood words in leadership. We hear the word and we flinch. We think of manipulation, power plays, hardball tactics, the kind of leadership that wins by making someone else lose. That is not leverage. That is intimidation wearing a borrowed name. Leverage is strategic use of what you already had, your expertise, your results, your relationships, your timing, your value, to create movement that hard work alone cannot create. And for women who have been taught to be grateful, to wait their turn, to not appear too ambitious, too much, or too loud, leverage has felt forbidden. We were told that if we just worked hard enough, kept our heads down, delivered excellence, the recognition would come, the promotion would come, the resourcing would come. It did not. Hard work is the price of admission. Leverage is the price of advancement. Without leverage, you will work twice as hard for half the influence every time. Why it matters? Leverage is not optional. It is the difference between working in your career and being moved through it. It directly shapes whether you are resourced or quietly exhausted, whether your work translates into power or stops at performance reviews, whether you advance or watch others get advanced ahead of you, whether your value is recognized in real time or only in farewell speeches. Leaders who understand leverage build influence that compounds. Leaders who do not work harder every year and wonder why nothing moves. Leverage is not about taking. It is about no longer giving away what was always yours to use. Visibility. Know what you already have. Most leaders underestimate their own leverage. You will negotiate from a place of scarcity for assets you already possess because no one ever taught you to see them. So look, honestly, without minimizing, you have expertise others need but do not have. Results that already have been delivered and cannot be unproven. Relationships and access that took years to build. Information that shapes decisions you are not in the room for. Timing, your presence, your departure, your yes, your no. A reputation that walks into rooms before you do. Visibility is the inventory. Before you ask, before you negotiate, before you advocate, before you decide whether to stay or leave, you cannot use leverage you do not see. When you miss your own leverage, you ask from a place of need, not value. You over-explain, over-justify, over-prove. You accept what is offered instead of naming what is fair. When you see clearly, you speak from the truth of what you bring. You stop performing for what is already yours. You move with calm because the leverage is the leverage, whether they acknowledge it or not. You cannot bargain with what you refuse to count. Liberation. Stop apologizing for using it. Here is the truth no one says out loud. The shame around using leverage was placed on you so that others could continue to benefit from your hesitation. If you feel guilty for asking, someone profits from that guilt. If you feel selfish for advocating, someone trains you into that self-doubt. If you feel aggressive for naming your value, ask yourself, aggressive compared to whom? Leverage is not manipulation. Manipulation hides what is true. Leverage reveals it. Leverage names what is real and asks the room to respond to reality instead of pretense. That is not aggression. That is integrity. When you are still apologizing, you take the offer instead of negotiating it. You soften your value until the room is comfortable with it. You confuse being agreeable with being respected. When you are free, you ask for what is yours without flinching. You let silence sit after the ask because you are not afraid of it. You trust that being clear is not the same as being unkind. You are allowed to use what you have. You were always allowed. Transformation. Move from effort to strategy. Hard work alone does not create change at scale. It will exhaust you. It will make you reliable. It will make you indispensable in a way that quietly traps you. But it will not move you. Leverage moves you. One strategic move at the right moment, with the right person, framed with the right value, replaces 10 exhausted ones. This is how influence compounds. This is how women who started with less end up with more, while the women working twice as hard stay exactly where they were. The shift is internal first. From, will I be liked if I ask for this? To, what does the truth of my value require me to name? When you lead from effort alone, you burn out before the recognition arrives. Your work is absorbed without being attributed. You become the person everyone relies on and no one promotes. When you lead with leverage, your effort is matched by your influence. You stop being the best kept secret in the building. You build a career where each move multiplies the next. Effort is honorable. Leverage is freedom. How to use leverage. These are some practices that turn awareness into power. 1. Inventory your assets in writing. Before any negotiation, ask, or pivot, write down every result, relationship, expertise, and timing advantage you hold. If you have not named it, you cannot use it. 2. Read the timing. Leverage that arrives too early is dismissed. Leverage that arrives too late is wasted. Watch for the moment your value is most needed and move then. 3. Position before you ask. Do not lead with a request. Lead with the value. Then the request becomes a natural conclusion of what you have already established. 4. Use scarcity. Do not deplete it. If you say yes to everything, your yes means nothing. If you are always available, your presence stops being valuable. Protect the things that make you rare. 5. Lead from value, not from gratitude. Gratitude is not a negotiation strategy. You can be deeply thankful and still negotiate fully. Both are true at the same time. 6. Let silence do the work. After you ask, stop talking. Do not soften. Do not explain. The silence is a part of the leverage. Sit in it. The leadership reality. Leverage is not aggression. It is not greed. It is not the loss of your softness or your warmth or the parts of you that have always cared. Leverage is the refusal to keep paying for your own influence with overwork and silence. You are not asking for too much. You are not playing games. You are not betraying anyone by being strategic about your own life. You are using what is already yours, and you are allowed to. That contract, the one you said your worth would be recognized if you just kept proving it, keep producing, keep being agreeable, that contract is over. You are not here to be deserving. You are here to be free. Closing reflection. Sit with these questions. Do not answer quickly. What leverage have I been holding, but refusing to use? What comfort have I been protecting at the cost of my own advancement? If I trusted that I was enough, what would I ask for tomorrow? The answers are not in working harder. They are in finally using what was always yours. Final truth. You cannot negotiate from value you refuse to see. You cannot lead from a self that is still apologizing for taking up space. You cannot be free in a career you are still trying to earn permission inside of. So name what you have. Use it without shame. Move with timing instead of urgency. And stop confusing exhaustion with progress. That is the work. An invitation. Before your next ask, pause. Ask yourself one question. What would I say if I trusted that what I bring is already enough? Final truth. You cannot negotiate from a value you refuse to see. You cannot lead from a self that is still apologizing for taking up space. You cannot be free in a career you are still trying to earn permission inside of. You cannot be free in a career you are still trying to earn permission inside. So name what you use. So name what you have. Use it without shame. Move with timing instead of urgency. And stop confusing exhaustion with progress. That is the work.